Hi guys, my name's Taylor with MarineMax of Dallas, and today I'm standing on our all-new 2020 Sea Ray 250 SDX Outboard series. This is an awesome boat with tons of room, as you can see. Great social zone. You'll be able to fit so many people in here, grown adults, be able to enjoy yourself and have a good time on the water. This boat is going to be equipped with the 300 horsepower Mercury Verado. Very powerful engine, looks great with the white motor. Sea Ray did something a little different with this model. You can actually pull this forward and you have a giant swim platform back there. A lot of people think with the outboard you don't get as much of your swim platform, but this model you do. Also a giant insulated cooler right there as well. Keep your drinks and food cold. So coming onto the boat a little more. Right here, when you push this back, you'll also have another big insulated cooler. All this is going to have storage underneath it. You got the nice big folding tower here with your Fusion tower speakers. These seats do swivel, so you can push these this way so you can face forward. Another big ski locker. Awesome clean looking dash here. It's got a 12-inch Simrad. That'll have everything on it, from GPS to your engine info to water temperature, you name it. Great, good looking Fusion head unit right there. This boat will hold 14 people. This boat's a little different. It's got the side entry to the bow, so down in here you have a pretty big cabin for storage. Also has a pump out porta potty down there as well. So coming through the side of the boat, another big social zone up here with speakers, places for your drinks, place for a table. You got your own cooler up here right underneath the center seat. So a lot of features on this boat. Great looking boat. So please come by our showroom and check it out, or give us a call at 972-436-9979. Thanks.